All right, well, this is our second invention. They have clearly typecast me because this is again an anti-theft device. This is the inventor, Sri Prakash Dwivedi, who doesn't speak.
Prakash Dwivedi?
Yes, that's his name. He doesn't speak English. His clever box of tricks is here. If I steal his car, he phones the car itself and it turns the engine off. We're going to see if it works. Close the bonnet. If you could close the bonnet, just close the bonnet. There we are. Now I'm going to get in and steal the car. I've got an Indian getaway driver. Go, 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 go. He's not very experienced at this. Ah, go, run away.